Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if speaker isn't working on your Redmi 17. First of all, you should check the volume levels on your smartphone using volume up and volume down keys. Make sure that your sound is increased to the maximum and check the sound. Then also swipe down the control center and make sure to disable Bluetooth. And if this doesn't help you, we can go to audio settings. So swipe down the control center and tap the gear icon. After that, we're gonna have to go to sound and vibration. Here we can adjust the volume separately for each source. So adjust the volume for your source. Also make sure to disable silent mode and do not disturb mode in here. And try simply restarting your smartphone. Press power button and volume up key at the same time and swipe the circle down to reboot. If you restart your smartphone and the issue is still there, try cleaning your device's speaker grills. So they are located on the bottom side of your device. You can use a soft brush to carefully clean them from any debris or cloggage that could have got stuck there. And then check your speakers once again. And as the last resort option, what you can do is perform the full factory reset of your device by going to settings, about phone. Then first of all, before performing factory reset, go to backup and restore. Backup your data using one of the presented options here. And once you do so, go to factory reset and erase all data. Then set up your device once again and restore your data from the backup. And after that, the issue should be resolved. But if not, then definitely reach out to Redmi customer support service and notify them about this issue. There might be some hardware problem with your phone that needs to be repaired. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.